Hey campers. So recently I joined a Facebook pop-up camping group and somebody's worst nightmare happened. They set their pop-up camper up and it collapsed on them. So the cable broke. Apparently his didn't come with one of the safety bars or either of them, or he didn't put them in. So I thought it'd be cool to do a quick video on if you don't have the safety bars, a couple tricks you can do. One, you could order new ones off the website. They're kind of expensive. It's like $140 for just two of these metal bars. But you can also go to, say, Home Depot, Lowe's, get by with just cutting a couple boards that you can, store underneath the mattress or in your camper, and just wedge those in there once you've got it lifted, lift it a tad and then just drop it just barely, so that way they're wedged in there. And then you've got an additional safety piece to not have a horrific story. You don't want your camper collapsing on you or anybody else. So hope that helps. Have a fantastic day.